Hello, Joey here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this absolutely stunning 2017 Infiniti Q60 Sport that we have for sale. This one is in beautiful shape, relatively local vehicle from the Oregon and Vancouver, Washington area. One owner, certified pre-owned. All that information is on the Carfax report. We do have a complimentary copy. Beautiful color combination in white on this rare Monaco red interior. Have the silver optic carbon fiber trim. This one is well equipped with features, navigation, rear parking camera, 360-degree around view monitor. You can also change views. There's a side view, good for parallel parking so you don't curve up those beautiful wheels. Overhead view, backup collision intervention, blind spot warning, front and rear parking sensors, forward emergency braking, forward collision warning with pedestrian detection, Bose premium audio system, a power adjustable wheel that tilts and telescopes, steering wheel paddle shifters, heated seats, heated steering wheel. We have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle apps and settings. You have a drive mode selector to tailor the transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for the type of driving that you're doing. It's really easy to use, and you can see there's a number of different settings. There's personal, sport, standard, eco, and snow. This one features a sport package, so you get aluminum pedals with a sport package. You get sport seats with a little bit extra bolstering in the seats to hold you in place during performance driving. This is a rear-wheel drive model. The rear-wheel drive model has a slightly lower ride height than the all-wheel drive model. It's also a little lighter. The all-wheel drive system weighs about 200 pounds. So if you're really like a performance vehicle, the rear-wheel drive version of the Q60 is a great one to consider. It'll also be a little bit lower price point than comparable all-wheel drive. And honestly, with traction and stability control, this does plenty fine in wet, slippery conditions. Obviously, if you do drive in the snow quite often, then maybe you want to consider all-wheel drive. Sport also gives you a more aggressive wheel and tire package, larger brakes, and of course a sport tuned suspension. Really a beautiful automobile. The Q60 is a gorgeous design. You'll get looks and compliments wherever you go. Coupes are really, their main purpose is to be stylish, fast looking, and really an eye-catching automobile. Obviously coupes don't always make the greatest sense as far as a utilitarian purpose. Obviously people would get a four-door or a station wagon or a crossover. People obviously who are buying a coupe is looking for a certain look, a sporty look, that really beautiful styling, and the Q60 certainly delivers. Look at the looks and lines of this Q60. Absolutely stunning automobile. And not just me, you'll see the automotive press absolutely lavish this vehicle of praise, especially on its gorgeous looks and lines. At the heart of the Q60 is the award-winning VR30 engine. It's twin turbo to maximize performance and fuel efficiency. Features direct injection, makes 300 horsepower. Very fast vehicle of 300 horsepower. I think most people will think that's plenty of power, not be wanting a very much more. With a certified pre-owned certifications, you get all the benefits you normally get with a new Infiniti. We also add a lifetime warranty. That's something extra we do, and that lifetime warranty is not just good at our store, it's good at any Infiniti store in the country and Canada. And this Q60 comes with a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee.